Hey, what's up, y'all? So today's quote, before I get to do my workout for the day: pay no attention to the man who criticizes unless he is doing something better than what he criticizes. And I'm kind of 50-50 on this quote. And it's from Marcus Garvey. I'm kind of 50-50 on this quote because you can take some advice from somebody that is not doing good or whatever. Like, for instance, I can talk to a person that's less fortunate, probably fell on his luck, homeless or whatever, but he's been through a lot and he's able to tell me some stuff or some mistakes that he made for me to avoid the mistake. So I'm kind of 50-50 on that. It's a difference between constructive criticism and then just a person just criticizing you, with ill will. You know what I'm saying? So that's my take on that. Y'all have a good one.
Yeah, I've been on my grind for a while. They been on my line for a while, gotta go, ain't no time to sit down. I had to learn on my own how to get it out the ground. Learn how to grind, I've been grinding for a while. Knowing that they mad, been mad for a while. Gotta know ain't no stopping me, ain't no stopping me. I've been on my grind for a while. Had to learn on my own how to get it out the ground. Yeah, I've been on my grind for a while. Gotta know ain't no stopping me, ain't no stopping me. I've been at their neck, I've been making niggas stress. I just do me, I ain't worried about the next. I'ma take a different route, I don't go with the crowd. Yeah, it seem like niggas love you more when you down. I ain't flexing for the gram, I don't do it for a bitch. Or shoot or go crazy, swear to God he won't miss. I ain't finna lay down, all doubt don't exist. No more fear in my blood, yeah, you gotta take risks. I had to learn on my own how to get it out the ground. Learn how to grind, I've been grinding for a while. Knowing that they mad, been mad for a while. Gotta know ain't no stopping me, ain't no stopping me. I've been on my grind for a while. Had to learn on my own how to get it out the ground. Yeah, I've been on my grind for a while. Gotta know ain't no stopping me, ain't no stopping me. I've been going hard too long, no stopping. I've been on my own, no G's, they was blocking. I've been in my bag, I ain't mad, that's what mold me. So I gotta go hard.